Today is Friday, October 14th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible brake assist Hydrobooster. This is for my friend Daniel in New York. The unit has been completely disassembled and rebuilt. All the seals checked for full integrity using both a very thin viscosity oil and a helium-based gaseous insertion method in order to absolutely validate 100% seal integrity. So the unit has been completely disassembled. This will be going out to my friend Daniel as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is just the Hydro Assist booster. It does not include the master cylinder. Okay, the unit will be mounted onto the firewall, and Daniel will be attaching his own master cylinder here at the end. So this is not a fully integrated comprehensive braking system provided by myself, as I'm only providing the rebuilt, fully restored 1976 Hydrobooster. Okay, today is Friday, October 14th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and all the way through 78 for Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, October 14th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.